Chef Jay-Z, and we are back in the kitchen with some Yellowtail. And today, we're gonna get waffled. So check this out. We've got our Yellowtail fish fillet right here, and we are going to go grill it. I added a little bit of basic seafood seasoning and a little bit of oil, and we're gonna head over to the grill and grill it, and then we're gonna get waffled. Get your grill nice and hot, and you're just gonna lay your fish down, and we love that sound. We're gonna grill this for about 2 to 3 minutes each side, and then we're gonna take it off the grill, we're gonna chill it, and then we're gonna get waffled. So here we go, we grilled our Yellowtail, and then we just chilled it, and now we're just flaking it into the bowl. You can reserve the skin, you can fry it, you can do whatever you want with that. We're just gonna put it over here for now. And then to this mixture, well, to the fish, to the Yellowtail, we're just gonna add some Dijon, some mayo. We're gonna add a little bit of hot sauce. We're gonna add some lemon. We're gonna add 1 egg. That's gonna help bind it. No shells though, no shells. And a little bit of scallion. And then we're gonna mix this up and make sure that egg is well combined in there, and then we're gonna get waffly. That's what you're looking for. A nice mixture, it's kind of wet, but we want that to happen because then it's gonna be nice and crispy when it goes into the waffle iron. So we got our waffle iron nice and hot. I'm just gonna spray it so that we don't stick. And we're getting waffled. Should be good. Here we go. Oh, the smell is amazing. So while the Yellowtail is getting waffled, we're gonna mix up our salad. Really basic salad. We just did a simple vinaigrette. We're gonna pour that over the greens, because you never wanna serve anything with just dry greens. You always wanna make sure they're seasoned, they're well seasoned. So that has the seasoning already in it. And we're gonna get our plate ready. This is a great recipe for better for you eating, watching what you're eating. There's no gluten, so it's gluten-free, so you can call it keto. I'm gonna put our lettuce mixture on there, just like that. You can add other vegetables, you can do whatever you wanna do. And then I have a Wasabi Tartar, which is really pretty cool. I just took pre-made tartar sauce and added a little wasabi to it. We're gonna take a peek. Oh, look at that, that's gorgeous. So we're gonna use tongs or a fork, that'll help you get it up. That'll help you pick up the waffle. And that is really, 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 really cool. Makes it sound like it's the first time I'm doing this, because it is. And you cut it, and you serve it up on the plate. And Yellowtail just got waffled. If you like this recipe that you just saw us create right here, be sure to like it and subscribe right now. And if you want more information like this or more recipes from some of our awesome chefs on Forever Ocean's team, go to our blog in the description below.